Today I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite summertime salad recipes, and this one is going to be great with grilled meats such as chicken or salmon. I'll be making my mixed berry salad with homemade poppy seed dressing. Now if you've never had a salad before with fruit or berries, you are totally missing out. It is such an incredible combination having the sweet berries combined with the savory dressing and the salad. It is phenomenal. We're going to start things with a bed of spring greens, add on some blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. I like to sprinkle in a little bit of goat cheese and almonds as well, and add some cucumbers and avocado. And then that homemade dressing is super easy. We'll combine some balsamic vinegar, a lemon juice, poppy seeds, a little bit of honey. This salad just tastes so good. I almost always have it with some grilled chicken on the side. I'm going to include the salad recipe along with the chicken recipe up on my website for you guys. Just head on down into that video description box for the link. Meanwhile, let's get started. You guys are going to love this recipe. I'll start by filling up a large casserole or a salad bowl with my spring greens. This recipe will also work really well with arugula. And to my spring greens, I also like to add in a small handful of fresh mint leaves and some fresh basil. I love the combination of the mint with the fruit. It just adds this incredibly delicious flavor profile. Next, stack up some basil leaves. We're going to give these a quick chop before sprinkling them into the salad. Next up are cucumbers. These add a really nice, refreshing, crunchy element to the salad. I like to use these smaller Persian cucumbers. You don't have to peel them. We're just going to slice these into thin slices. Time to add our berries. Today I'm going to be using a mix of strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. I already washed everything up, dried up my berries. I'm going to start by slicing some of my strawberries. These are those farm stand strawberries that we have locally here during the summer months, and the strawberries are so incredibly delicious and sweet. They're so good. I usually eat about 10 of these while I'm slicing these up. I'm also going to slice one large avocado. I just love adding avocado to everything, and I think it's a perfect pairing for this salad. Let's drop on our strawberries. Layer those with the blueberries. And the raspberries. And now let's get some cheese on the salad. Today I'm going to be using goat cheese. You can also use crumbled feta cheese for this recipe. I'm just going to add a few crumbles over the top. Just love the combination of cheese with fruit, the avocado. You guys are going to love this dressing too. Sprinkle on some sliced almonds. And the last thing we're going to need for this salad is the poppy seed dressing. So I'm going to start by squeezing the juice from one lemon into my measuring cup. We're going to need about 2.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Next, measure a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Squeeze in about 1.5 tablespoons of honey. And we're going to need 1/4 cup of olive oil. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, and whisk this all together. And if you wanted to add some extra protein to the recipe, grilled chicken breast is an excellent option. I'm going to include my recipe up on the website along with the salad recipe. And that's it for my mixed berry salad recipe. Check this out. It is just so gorgeous. I love how colorful this is. It's going to be perfect for summertime. For the full list of ingredients and the written instructions, make sure to head on down into that video description box. I'm going to have everything online there for you guys. Meanwhile, let's dig in. I have a bowl here for myself with some of my grilled chicken. I'm gonna have that recipe up online as well. Let's grab some of the salad here. And I like to get a little bit of everything, some of the goat cheese, some of the berries, some of the lettuce. This salad is simply incredible. You guys are gonna be blown away from the very first bite. I just love that combination of the sweet berries with the cucumbers, that goat cheese, and that dressing. It's so simple to put together, and it just brings everything together. And this is one of those salad recipes that I can eat every single day and just never get tired of. I'm gonna try a little bit of my grilled chicken. The juicy grilled chicken combined with the berry salad is phenomenal. You guys are going to love this easy summertime salad recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and a comment down below. It's a huge help to my videos, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.